She caught a heartbreaking moment on the street, a stray mother cat trying to carry her kitten through the rain. But then, something terrible happened. The kitten slipped and fell straight into a drain. Without thinking, the girl ran to help. She carefully reached in and pulled out the tiny kitten. It was soaked, freezing, barely able to cry. So she took it home, gave it a warm bath, cleaned all the dirt away, and for the first time, the little kitten felt safe. As the warm air touched its body, it slowly relaxed, something it had never felt before. Then she gave it warm milk, and the hungry kitten drank every drop. After that, it curled up and peacefully fell asleep. No more shaking, no more fear, just warmth, just comfort. That one small act of kindness saved a life, and maybe found a friend for life. If this touched your heart, make sure to like and subscribe.